Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on OnePlus Ace 3. So you have to start with opening your Google application. Now click on your avatar and then click on Settings. Now scroll down and click on Google Assistant. Then click on Hey Google and Voice Match and click here to enable Hey Google. Now scroll down and click I agree. Now scroll down again and click I agree. Now click Next. Next. Scroll down and click I agree. And now click on Retrain Voice Model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click Next. Next. Scroll down and click I agree. Now you can click back and click on lock screen. And now click yes, I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on. So now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Hey Google. OK Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.